Alright, I'm stepping back into understanding and communicating why I believe there's a owner here of a space drone that people shouldn't be in space at this present time, given the nature of space at this time and the orbits. So I would say you would use this type of size of a machine to make a human operated robot or a human operated machine move towards the outer extremities of cavities and the orbits of the solar system, which is not a solar system, but in that case, it was just a solar extremity of a cavity in a orbit of a asteroid, which is not really asteroid. It's a new definition, but it's the largest size. So the largest size is solar system. So it's a solar eclipsing asteroid, I guess. And you would use that, or you would use this over here, over there. And this is probably that size. Um, in other situations, you would say that the necessary cases for spatial escapes with this would be extreme, and then you would have to have a insurance and warranties high, so to replace it a lot. And I suppose you can either get insurance or warranties with us for that, but the space drones are safer than the robots. So that would be cheap, and you can either get a unitary robot, but we're probably going to have our own robots based off of the move or a smaller one, which is silicon based. But if we do it, be happy than that. That's about it. If you have any questions, call me at mathematics